taste your skin. Baby, no love in these eyes. Can't wait to see your grin. Ooh, baby, just let.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for the new viewers, what's up? So today I'm actually doing this really nice, sexy Valentine's Day look. As you know, Valentine's Day is right around... I got hair in my mouth. Alright guys, as you know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. So if you want to look cute, sexy, gorgeous, sultry, or whatever for your man or whoever you want, or even for yourself, this is a look that you definitely need to go ahead and try out. All of the items that I'm going to use in today's video is going to be in the description box. So if you want to see how I got this really sexy look, go ahead and stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so starting off, I already did my eyebrows, as you can see here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the MAC Pro Conceal Correct Palette in the shade Dark. And I'm going to be using this color right here, which is NC45. Yeah, right here, NC45. I'm going to use this color to go ahead and conceal my lids so that it can actually, so that the eyeshadow can show a little bit better. So now that I concealed my lids, I'm going to set that concealer, and what I'm going to be using is the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder. Okay guys, so starting off, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. What we're going to do is we're going to start off with a really light transition shade and then go into the deeper reds. So what we're going to start off with, I'm actually thinking about it. Alright, so what we're going to start off with is this color right here. This is kind of like a taupey type of brown color, and I'm going to put this directly as a, I'm going to use this as a transition shade. So since I started off with the transition shade, I'm going to use a crease color, and the crease color I'm going to use is this shade right here. Now on top of that, what I'm going to be using is this shade right here. This is like a darker reddish type shade. I'm going to be using this. Okay, so next I'm going to go into, and I'm going to use this deeper red shade. It's like a reddish purple type of shade, and I'm going to put this right directly on top of that crease. Okay, so as you can see, everything is nice and easily blended and it looks good, right? So we're going to create a halo type of look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and I'm going to use this color, this shade right here. And this is the NC45 from the MAC palette. Or you can use any type of concealer that you want. And you're just going to place this directly in the center of that lid and basically blend it out with a brush. Alright, so after I used the concealer and placed it on both of my lids, in the center of the lids, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of lighten that concealer, or set it and then kind of lighten it at the same time. And what I'm going to use is this shade right here, and I'm just going to use a flat brush. That was my phone. So I'm going to use this shade right here and a flat brush and just place it directly on that concealer. Yeah, I'm going to use this shade right here, and this is Starburst. I'm going to use that shade, and I'm going to put that directly on top of the concealer. I want that to pop out, or pop out my eyeshadow just a little bit, so I'm going to spray my brush with the MAC Prep Prime Fix Plus, just a little bit there, and then apply it on there, and it should definitely pop. Give me that pop. Alright, so that's pretty much the halo look. I'm going to go back in with this darker purple shade, and I'm going to kind of blur out or blend out the outer and inner parts of the eyelids so that there's not really that harsh of a line. Alright, so I'm going gonna go ahead and put black eyeliner on and then put my lashes on, and then we can move to the face. Okay guys, so as you can see, I put my lashes on and I put my eyeliner on there as well. And so we're gonna hit the face. So starting off, I'm gonna use Becca, and it's the Ever Matte Poreless Perfecting Primer. This is, ooh, shoot, I dropped it. This is one of the really good primers for oily skin. So if you guys have oily skin, go ahead and try this out. You need to put a little bit into your fingers, warm it up, and then press it into the areas where you get oily the most. I'm actually gonna change up my foundation routine a little bit because I saw this YouTube guru makeup artist. She's pretty awesome and I follow her. Her name is Sydney Black, and she used HourGlass Foundation, and I wanted to try it out. So this is basically what I'm going to use. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the almond shade and I'm gonna place it right here, just like that. And here, and right there. And then I'm going to use the chestnut shade, which is a little bit darker, that's more like my skin tone. And I'm gonna place it like right here. Just gonna use a makeup brush, dab it in, and then make that baby work. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my world famous beauty blender because this is my baby and I like it, and I'm going to go ahead and blend some of this stuff out, and yeah, and we'll continue on. For highlighting, I'm going to use the Kat Von D. This is the Lock It Cream Concealer, and it's in the shade D35. So I'm going to go ahead and use this and highlight. So after I highlighted, I'm going to set that highlight, and I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder, and I'm just going to place that all over on the highlight sections. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, guys, is contour. And while the setting powder sits here and sets a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and contour. And the contouring stick that I'm using is the Fenty Beauty Contour, or the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso. And all I'm doing is just drawing this line just like this, here on the other side, and I'm just going to blend that in. This is the only two places I just normally contour. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to use some of that Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder, and I'm going to place this directly underneath my contour just to pop that contour out a little bit. Now I'm going to use a fluffy brush and I'm going to dust off all of the excess setting powder. Alright, so as you can see, my face is pretty much it's almost done. So what I'm going to do is underneath my eye, I'm going to go back in with this palette. This is the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. This is the dark brown, and I'm going to use this and put it directly underneath my eye. So to set my entire face, what I'm going to be using is the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep, and it's this little thing right here. Everyone uses this. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of this setting powder or all over face powder. It's actually pretty good and I like it a lot. Sometimes what I do is If I am lazy and I don't feel like putting makeup, I just basically wash my face, put on a nice primer, and then just use this as a foundation, and then set it with a setting spray, and then it works perfectly. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face, and this is to ensure that everything is nice and set. Okay, now for a nice highlight, what I'm gonna be using is Cinnamon by Fenty Beauty, and this is from the matchstick. It comes with a matchstick trio, so this one, cinnamon, and it's cinnamon, suede, and I think espresso all comes in one, so I'm just gonna be using this, and I'm just gonna use this on my nose just to give it like highlight right here, my lip. So I just place it on, and then what I do is I use this pretty much any type of brush that you have, or a highlighter brush, and then just blend it all in. Now for my lips, I'm kind of confused. Oh, actually, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with my lips. I might do maybe a subtle lip, or I can go dangerous. I'm gonna go dangerous. Hold on. And then the lipstick that I'm going to use is GRISELDA, and it's from Fenty Beauty. It's one of the Fenty Beauty lipsticks. Alright guys, so now to set my entire face, I'm going to be using the NYX Mini Matte setting spray, and apparently this setting spray is bomb, so I'm going to go ahead and spray this all over my face. So guys, this is the final look. Please let me know what you guys think. I honestly think that this would be a really good, cute, like sexy Valentine's Day looks. And honestly, if you don't have all of these different types of eyeshadows that I use, just use something similar that you have and you could make it work, okay? So thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like it, and also go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right there. It's a picture of me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like it. Everything that I used today will be in the description box down below, and if you guys want me to do more videos, especially like how to do my eyebrows or anything else, please let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks again guys for watching, and bye.